The Curse of Wishes. There was a small village at the edge of a dense forest, where strange things often happened. The villagers believed that the forest was cursed and avoided going there, especially at night. One evening, a group of young friends decided to explore the forest, despite warnings from the elders. They ventured deep into the forest and discovered an old abandoned house. As they explored the house, they found a dusty old diary. The diary belonged to the former occupant of the house, who was said to have dabbled in black magic. As they read the diary, they discovered a spell that promised to grant them any wish they desired. They decided to try it out, thinking it was just a silly game. The spell worked, and they made their wishes. One wished for wealth, another for love, and the last for eternal youth. They went back home, thinking nothing of it. However, they soon discovered that their wishes came with a terrible price. The wealthy friend lost all his loved ones, the one who wished for love ended up in a toxic relationship, and the one who wished for eternal youth became a vampire. The friends realized their mistake, and they went back to the forest to reverse the spell. They found the diary again and tried to undo the spell, but it was too late. The diary revealed that the spell had a terrible catch: it could not be undone. They were now cursed for eternity. As they walked back home, they realized that they were not alone. They saw shadows moving around them, and they heard whispers in the wind. They soon realized that they were being followed by the ghost of the former occupant of the house, who was now seeking revenge on them for disturbing his peace. Just as they thought they were doomed, the ghost suddenly disappeared, and they heard a voice behind them. It was the voice of an old man who told them that the ghost had been terrorizing the village for years, and that he had been looking for someone to end the curse. He revealed that the diary was a fake, and the spell was just a trick. The curse was all in their mind, and they had the power to break it themselves. The friends finally realized that they had been playing with their own minds, and that the curse was not real. They broke the curse by letting go of their desires and accepting their lives as they were. They learned that true happiness could not be achieved by magic or wishing, but only by accepting the present moment and living in it fully.